Today we are going to provide an overview of Oracle Fusion. Like all ERP integrations, Ramp provides a tailored walkthrough with step-by-step setup. For complete details, head to Ramp's Help Center. Ramp supports shorthand account aliases, a feature in Oracle Fusion that simplifies transaction coding. With shorthand account aliases, all necessary accounting fields are combined into a single field, making it easier to code transactions accurately. Ramp brings in a number of different accounting fields directly from Oracle Fusion, so you can apply the inputs as needed. These fields can be configured under Settings and Accounting Fields. Here we can see Oracle Fusion fields that Ramp is currently syncing to, as well as Oracle Fusion fields that are not currently used in Ramp. At any time, we can quickly enable and allow them to populate within Ramp. Sync Settings is where we configure how accounting data is mapped to financial accounts within Oracle Fusion. We can do this for card transactions, reimbursements, bill pay, and multi-entity. Once we're finished with our coding, we can mark these transactions as ready and sync them over directly to Oracle Fusion. The same works for reimbursements within Ramp. Simply code the fields as necessary, mark the reimbursement as ready, and sync over to Oracle Fusion. Once your transactions and reimbursements have successfully synced over, you can find them under the Expenses tab, where you will see a direct link into the record within Oracle Fusion. Ramp card transactions will show up as journal batches in Oracle Fusion, with a debit to expense accounts and a credit to the Ramp card liability account. Receipts will be synced as an attachment. The same works for reimbursements. Ramp reimbursements will show up as journal batches in Oracle Fusion, with a debit to expense accounts. Ramp also supports multi-entity. Each Ramp entity will connect to an Oracle Fusion legal entity. All Ramp transactions and reimbursements will by default go into the primary ledger of the Oracle Fusion legal entity associated with the Ramp entity. Ramp's Accounting tab gives an overview of both currency and entity and allows you to make changes if necessary. Lastly, as mentioned, Ramp supports multi-currency. Customers can choose the original currency or the issuing currency for their debit line. For their credit line currency, it is in the issuing currency. For reimbursements, your debit line currency is that of the original currency of the reimbursement. For your credit line currency is the currency of the payment. For full details and questions on Ramp's integration with Oracle Fusion, please head to the Help Center.